ट्रिप 2 दिन के लिए टाल दो। पुट ऑफ द ट्रिप फॉर 2 days। पुट ऑफ द ट्रिप फॉर 2 days। अपने काम को कल पर मत टालो। डू नॉट पुट ऑफ योर वर्क टिल टुमारो। डू नॉट पुट ऑफ योर वर्क टिल टुमारो। मैं तुम्हें नहीं रोकूंगी। आई वुड नॉट स्टॉप यू। आई वुड नॉट स्टॉप यू। अब ये सब चीज़ें मेरे लिए फालतू हैं। These things are redundant for me now. These things are redundant for me now. मैं कभी कभी गुनगुना लेता हूँ। I sometimes hum a bit. I sometimes hum a bit. मेरा बेटा मेरी नहीं सुनता। My son does not listen to me. My son does not listen to me. मैं बस 5 दिन की मोहलत दे सकता हूँ। I can grant just 5 days grace. I can grant just 5 days grace. तुमने क्या नई खोज की? What new did you discover? What new did you discover? उसके आने की संभावना कम है। He is least likely to come. He is least likely to come. काश मैं सबके लिए कुछ कर सकती। I wish I could do something for everyone. I wish I could do something for everyone. जो दिल में है कह दो। Say what lies in your heart. Say what lies in your heart. बगीचा साफ करवा दो। Get the garden cleaned. Get the garden cleaned. अपनी गलतियों के लिए मुझे दोष मत दो। Don't blame me for your mistakes. Don't blame me for your mistakes. कोई हमारा साथ नहीं देगा। Nobody will stand by us. Nobody will stand by us. हम ये तुम्हारे अच्छे के लिए कर रहे हैं। We are doing this for your own good. We are doing this for your own good. कभी भी खुद को किसी से कम मत समझो। Never think that you are less than anyone. Never think that you are less than anyone. क्या आज मैं ऑनलाइन खाना मंगा सकता हूँ? Can I order food online today? Can I order food online today? मैं गुब्बारा क्यों फोड़ूंगा? Why would I pop up the balloon? Why would I pop up the balloon? तुम्हारे मुंह में लगाम नहीं है। There is no check on your tongue. There is no check on your tongue. मेरे नाम पर कुछ भी नहीं है। There is nothing in my name. There is nothing in my name. मुझे पैसे निकालने हैं। I need to withdraw the money. I need to withdraw the money. ये शर्ट बहुत चिपक रही है। This shirt is so clingy. This shirt is so clingy. ये दिन हमेशा यादगार रहेगा। This day will always be memorable. This day will always be memorable. तुम्हें फिर से मिलकर अच्छा लगा। It's good to meet you again. It's good to meet you again. तुम मेरी नज़रों में ऊंचे उठ गए हो। You have gone up in my estimation. You have gone up in my estimation. मेरे पास इससे बेहतर शर्ट नहीं है। I do not have a shirt better than this. I do not have a shirt better than this. तुमसे बेहतर कोई नहीं है। No one is better than you. No one is better than you. लड़की के घर वाले शादी के लिए जल्दी मचा रहे हैं। The groom's family is making haste for marriage. The groom's family is making haste for marriage. आपने मुझ पर जादू कर दिया है. You have cast a spell on me. You have cast a spell on me. आपकी घड़ी में कितने बजे हैं? What is the time by your watch? What is the time by your watch? क्या आप मेरे हाथ धुलवा दोगे? Would you please help me wash my hands? Would you please help me wash my hands? मैंने मुश्किल से एक निवाला खाया था. I hardly had eaten just a morsel. I hardly had eaten just a morsel. इसमें डरने वाली कोई बात नहीं है. There is nothing to fear in it. There is nothing to fear in it. मेरे भाई को ऊंचाई का डर है. My brother has a fear of heights. My brother has a fear of heights. दया करके मुझे छोड़ दो. Leave me out of pity. Leave me out of pity. मैंने अपना कर्तव्य समझकर किया है ये. I did this out of a sense of duty. I did this out of a sense of duty. खाना ठंडा हो गया है. The food has become cold. The food has become cold. मैं तुम्हारी बदतमीजी बर्दाश्त नहीं करूँगा. I will not tolerate your misbehave. I will not tolerate your misbehave. मेरे ऊपर पानी मत छिड़को. Do not sprinkle water on me. Do not sprinkle water on me. तुम्हारी मेहनत रंग लाएगी. Your hard work will pay you off. Your hard work will pay you off. इतने पैसे क्यों चाहिए तुम्हें? Why do you need so much money? Why do you need so much money? अच्छा होगा तुम मेरे रास्ते में मत आओ. You had better not come in my way. You had better not come in my way. क्या हाथ पे हाथ रख के बैठे रहोगे? Will you keep sitting idle? Will you keep sitting idle? जितना ज़्यादा ठंडा उतना अच्छा. The colder, the better. The colder, the better. मैं पढ़ने में बहुत अच्छा हूँ. I am well versed in study. I am well versed in study. मैं मैच देखने स्टेडियम जा रहा हूँ. I am going to the stadium to watch a match. I am going to the stadium to watch a match. तुम तो हमेशा से यही चाहते थे. This is what you wanted all along. This is what you wanted all along. मेरे हाथों में सूजन आ गई है. My hands are swollen. My hands are swollen. तुम्हारी नौकरी कैसी चल रही है? How is your job going on? How is your job going on? तुम सिर दर्द की दवा क्यों नहीं ले लेती? Why don't you take medication for headache? Why don't you take medication for headache? तुम्हारी आंखें खराब हैं क्या? Are your eyes bad? Are your eyes bad? मैं ये राज किसी को नहीं बताऊंगी. I will not tell this secret to anyone. I will not tell this secret to anyone. फोन अब चार्ज हो गया होगा. Phone should be charged by now. Phone should be charged by now. दुकान अब तक खुल गई होगी. The shop should be opened by now. The shop should be opened Buy now. मेरे पास 10,000 कम पड़ रहे हैं. I am short by 10,000 rupees. I am short by 10,000 rupees. बारिश से बचने के लिए छाता ले लो. Take an umbrella to ward off rain. Take an umbrella to ward off rain. दुश्मनों से बचने के लिए कुछ करो. Do something to ward off the enemies. Do something to ward off the enemies. और कितना झूठ बोलोगे? How much more will you lie? How much more will you lie? इससे अच्छा तो मैं जाता ही नहीं. It would be better if I did not go. It would be better if I did not go. मैं पापा से चार्जर मंगवा लूंगी. I will get Papa to bring the charger. I will get Papa to bring the charger. मैंने कल एक लड़के को पिटवाया. I had a boy beaten yesterday. I had a boy beaten yesterday. मैं बहन से बाल कटवा लूंगी. I will get my sister to cut hair. I will get my sister to cut hair. मैं पिछला कभी भी नहीं सोचता. I never think about the past. I never think about the past. मुझे कोई पैसों की हवा नहीं लगी है. I am not under the influence of money at all. I am not under the influence of money at all. मम्मी के सीने में जलन हो रही है. Mummy is experiencing heat burn. Mummy is experiencing heat burn. तुम एक नंबर के अय्याश हो. You are a debaucher of the first order. You are a debaucher of the first order. सारा पैसा बेकार हो जाएगा. All the money will go waste. All the money will go waste. सारा दिन घर पर क्या करोगे? What will you do the whole day at home? What will you do the whole day at home? जानते भी हो किस पर लांछन लगा रहे हो? Do you know whom you are casting as person? Do you know whom you are casting as person? जब मैं तुम्हें बुलाऊं तब अंदर आना. Come inside when I call you to come. Come inside when I call you to come. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.